wanted to tell you my personal story with the pop-on veneers. I had some damage to my teeth from several years back from an abusive relationship, and being a single mom, didn't have the thousands of dollars to go into a dentist office and have, partials or this, that, and the other. So I just, left it. My self-esteem was bad. I never smiled with my teeth in pictures. If I was in public, I would cover up my mouth when I laughed just because I was embarrassed. So when I saw the ad for the pop-on veneers, I did my research, watched all the, the reviews and things like that. So I contacted customer service and got my impression kit. Instructions were super easy to follow. There was the link that for a video they give you that shows you how to mix the molding, compound, etc. Super easy, honestly. So did my impressions. They also give you a postage paid UPS slip to ship your impressions back, so you don't have to pay for any of that. Got an email when they received my impressions, and when they decided that the impressions were good, that they were going to be sending them on to have the veneers made. And then a couple weeks later, got the email that my veneers are being shipped, and got them shortly thereafter. So I'll show you. We got the little cute pop-up veneers case, and it's got a little mirror in it. So if you're out somewhere and you need to pop them in or whatever, you've got the mirror to do it with. But I can sit right here and pop them in, just like they say. There's like a little click that you'll hear when they snap in place. But you literally, I can show you, I got, some broken off teeth. So I just had the tops done. You just snap them in place. And I've got my beautiful smile back. And I can't tell you what it did for my self-esteem to be able to smile again, to be able to laugh in public and not have someone worrying that someone's staring at me. Even in my job, I work in healthcare, and knowing that now that no one's gonna laugh at me or look at me and stare because I have missing teeth or this, that, and the other. So and I only did the tops because my bottoms were fine. But I'm so happy with the pop-on veneers. I can eat, drink, they're comfortable, they fit perfectly, and I can't be happier. Thank you so much, pop-on veneers.